Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host, and today is Wellness Wednesday, and I have a quick one picked out for you for today, but it is important. But before I get to that, I just wanted to share a couple of just interesting information with you. One is that today is my cat's birthday. Baby Shaman, he is turning 3 years old today. I can't believe he's that old, and he still goes by baby, so, you know, I was thinking about maybe changing it to Big Boy, but I don't think he's ready yet. He's just not ready. He got a whole bunch of really cool toys, but he also got a kitnet box, and he's going to be opening that later on today on the channel. If I can get it uploaded today. It might be tomorrow, but it's going to be uploaded within the next 24 hours, so I just wanted to share that because we're really excited. You know how he wants to be a YouTube cat, and he's really jealous of his mommy's channel, so just wanted to tell you that. Also wanted to say, I hope you guys all had a wonderful Valentine's Day. I know that a lot of people focus on the whole sweethearts thing, but it is just such an important thing to also focus on love in general. And if you were, for whatever reason, not able to celebrate love yesterday, just know in your heart, just celebrate all the things that you love in this world. Especially those people who you care about so much, no matter who they are. When you feel love and when you express love, it just makes the world go round. I really believe that. I know it's kind of like rose-colored glasses sort of thing, but I've never told somebody who I care about that I love them and regretted it. But then, you know, that's me. But I just wanted to make sure you guys knew that. And then kind of what segues from that, I'm sure you can hear baby in the background. Just ignore it. He's just getting into things like he always does. I just wanted to mention, no, I'm not sick or anything like that. I just really love this nightgown that I got. I got it yesterday for Valentine's Day, and didn't put it on until way late last night, right before I went to bed. And I'm still wearing it because I absolutely love it. I think it's so great. It's one of those kind of Victorian looking nightgowns. It's made of the really soft, very lightweight cotton. You can get them on Amazon. But anyway, it was my Valentine's Day present from Greg, and it was a good one. So let's go ahead and get into this Wellness Wednesday. So for those of you who follow me, you guys know that I do a whole lot of yarny content, and my Wellness Wednesdays are not always with yarny content, because we always talk about crafting ourselves on Wellness Wednesdays. Alright guys, sorry about that. I had to cut real quick because baby was actually getting into way too much stuff, and I had to get him out of the room. But don't worry, you guys will see him sometime in the next 24 hours, because he is going to open that kitnet box, and he's really excited about it. As I was saying, usually on Wellness Wednesdays, we just kind of take a break from yarny content and we talk about crafting ourselves. But today I'm actually including yarn in my Wellness Wednesday. So want to go see what it is? All right, so when I was thinking yesterday about love and caring, and also thinking about those Vice and Virtue colorways that I've been working on, for those of you who don't know, just I like to dye yarn as well. I was thinking, like, how important it is for us to care about other people. Yes, there's the self-care, which is really important, especially when we're running around doing things for everybody else and we don't give back to ourselves. But also, for those of us who are able, and those of us who are fortunate enough to be able to give back to others, it is such an important part of feeling connected to the rest of the world and feeling like what you do matters. And if you don't know where to begin when it comes to taking your crafts and using them to support some kind of cause, there's a whole lot of different ways that you can find different donation sites, especially locally. You know, you can always start local, get a hold of your local schools and just find out if there's a place where you can donate something for the children that go to that school who are from less fortunate families, that kind of thing. But today I really wanted to talk about a club that's really close to my heart. This is a monthly club, okay, and it's from Annie's. And I have mentioned it before on this channel, but it was something that I mentioned a while ago, so I thought, why not mention it again? So this is called Annie's Caring Crochet Club, and they do have knit clubs as well. I just want to mention that so you guys know. And this month I got a really cool Caring Crochet. It was the superhero cape, which I think is so awesome, and it gives you enough yarn to make the project. They give you all of the information about how to make the pattern. It comes with it. And this is for Capes for Kids, which is an armor of strength, imagination, and hope. And so this shows you how to make the cape. All right. And it will tell you a little bit about the organization. All right. So do you want to hear about it? So this is a charitable organization based out of Taylor, Michigan, that serves women, children, and female veterans who are rebuilding their lives while living in shelters. Many are battling post-traumatic stress disorder and have faced human trafficking, different kinds of abuse and domestic violence. And through 6 core programs, they reach out to the women and children to find ways to help their lives. I'm sorry. This is really close to my heart, so I apologize if you feel like I'm tearing up. It's because I am. But anyway, you can make a superhero cape, and then it tells you where to send it. It gives you the address, or it even gives you an envelope where you can mail them a check if you don't want to donate. For whatever reason, you might really like this and know a child in your life that would like this and want to make that for that child, but you still want to donate. There's always that option. And it gives you a bunch of information about the charity of choice for that month. And that's what's really amazing thing about this, is that Cape for Kids is the one that's featured this month, but they feature different ones every month. So you get to find a whole wide variety of different charities to crochet for, to craft for, and it's just really a great way of getting involved, especially if you don't know where to start. These companies have already been vetted by Annie's, and they're already, they already know that these are companies that really do need these kinds of donations, because that's one thing. Sometimes you'll find the charities that have a whole lot of publicity, and they actually have things backed up because they get to so many donations. So Andy's makes sure that these different programs do have a need, and they definitely have made these kits really special for those needs. And I just think it's such a great idea. And Annie's was nice enough to give me an affiliate link, which I'm going to put in the description. It's going to be the first line in the description below, so that if you want to sign up for the Caring Crochet Club, I'll earn like a little bit off of that, just a little bit, nothing major. And while I have it, these bags, they always come in these little bags. They always just bring so much joy to me when I get them in the mail, because I'm not only subscribed for their Caring Crochet Club, which, I mean, I don't even have to sell it to you, because, like, seriously, it's a really great club, and it really makes you feel like you're making a big difference. And, even if you don't want to use this, you want to use something else, you want to make a cape that you have in your mind, or whatever, then it just gives you these great ideas of different places to donate, places that really need it. So the other kit club I just wanted to mention here, and, this is for those of you who are just constantly doing things for other people and you need to give back to yourself. This is a really nice kit that you can get. It's also monthly, and it's called Love to Crochet Kit Club. Now, there's also a knitting and crochet one where it doesn't matter if you knit or crochet, or even if you do both, where it'll send you the same thing, and it'll give you a pattern in knitting and a pattern in crochet. But this is just the crochet one, and this one is the one that came this month, and it is this little it's like an end table cover, And just kind of like a glorified doily, right, that you might want to put a lamp on or something. And it comes with these beautiful colors in it. And these are all for those of you who wonder what kind of yarn they use. This is Premier Anti-Pilling, but they made it exclusively for the Annie's kits. They're smaller. And then this one is this is an Annie's brand yarn, which they put in the Carrying Crochet kit. So I just wanted to show you that they have a couple of different kits that you can choose from. But obviously, giving back to other people is just such a fulfilling feeling. And, you know, thinking about it being Valentine's Day and sharing love and feeling connected to other people and feeling like you make a difference in the world and all of that. This Annie's Carrying Crochet Club is really, really nice as far as making you feel worthwhile. It builds your self-esteem. It helps you feel like you're making a big difference, which you are. And it's just such a great thing. I mean, there's all sorts of different charities that you can crochet or knit for, whichever one you prefer. But I just thought that it would be a really great thing to mention the Annie's Carrying Crochet Club. And you know what's even better? Annie's even gave me a link to their Carrying Crochet Club that I'm going to be putting in the description, where if somebody purchases one from me, then I just make a small commission. I mean, it's not really that much. It's just a small percentage of whatever is purchased through there. But what's cool about it is that I can use that money and then invest it into other yarny content and other kinds of things for the channel. So that's always nice too. But anyway, that is the Wellness Wednesday for today. I hope you are taking care of yourselves. I hope you're feeling great. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you're like me, maybe you're even having a PJ day. But anyway, just wanted to share how much I care about you guys. I wanted to mention that it's baby's birthday. I'm so excited to show you his kit knit box later on today. And I'm really, really excited about some new yarn that I have out. In fact, let me show it to you. I have these. These are little mini skeins, actually. I'm going to start offering mini skeins of different colors. But anyway, I took these two colors and I thought they were so pretty. And I ended up putting them together along with white, and I made this beautiful colorway, and I called it Winter Rose. There was a lot of different ideas I had for what to call it, but I call it Winter Rose. This is in a sock weight, and I was thinking about getting some sock kits and putting like 3 minis with it, with a regular hank of yarn that would make 2 socks, and then you can make like toes and heels out of these. Tell me if you'd be interested in that. And anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that this is available on my Etsy store if you want to check it out. Very, very proud of that colorway because it's so simple, but it's so gorgeous. Anyway, I'm sure I've run my mouth enough today. It's great to see you guys, great to chat. I will see you soon in another video. Bye for now.